Audi has embarked on a program to introduce 25 electric vehicles over the next 4 years. The latest to be revealed is the Audi Q4 e-tron Sportback, a low-roofed version of the Q4 e-tron that made its debut at the Geneva Motor Show in 2019. This Sportback variant will share much of the packaging and mechanicals of the regular Q4 e-tron, meaning it will be around 4.6 metres in length and just 1 centimetre lower overall. It also promises the usual standard of luxury and refinement we've come to expect from Audi, with the Q4 e-tron Sportback presenting a very plush and digitally modern interior, and no transmission tunnel to restrict rear seat legroom either. 2 electric motors will drive the Q4 e-tron Sportback, with the rear motor providing torque by default. The front motor will only swing into action when the driver demands extra performance or traction. The rear motor produces more than enough output for efficient daily driving, and the front motor supplements that power and torque with enough urge to propel the Q4 e-tron Sportback to 100 km per hour in 6.3 seconds from a standing start. Supplying the motors, the 82 kWh lithium-ion battery can be replenished within 30 minutes to 80% of capacity by a direct current fast charge unit at up to 125 kilowatts. Fully charged, the battery has enough capacity to travel up to 450 kilometres without need for recharging, according to the WLTP process. Audi has developed the Q4 e-tron Sportback on the MEB modular platform, and the 510 kilogram battery pack is precisely located under the floor to lower the car's centre of gravity and even out its weight distribution. So the Q4 e-tron Sportback threatens to be a dynamically capable machine on the roads of Australia, which Audi is yet to confirm, but it looks to be a strong probability we'll see it here sometime around about 2022.